Hello everyone, today we have a Professor Priyam Parikh. He having total 8 years of experience. He is an assistant professor in Institute of Design, Nirma University. So today's agenda of the interview is to know about the thoughts of education. So welcome you on portal of College Dunia, sir.
Thank you.
So beginning with the interview, my first question is to you. When you came to the Institute of Design, Nirma University, what was your vision and how you are trying to achieve the same?
So earlier, basically, I am not a designer. I am a postgraduate mechatronics engineer, and I'm pursuing my PhD in robotics from Nirma itself. So my vision was, after teaching in engineering fraternity, design fraternity was in search of integrating technology with design. So they were looking for good electronics and mechanical engineers, but mechatronics is a branch where you get a mixture of mechanical and electronics both. So I joined first design institute in my life in 2018, Karnataka University. So and then I joined Anand National University, and then Nirma hired me. So here my vision is to integrate design with technology.
Okay, great, sir. So my second question is to you, sir. What are the best practice offered by the Institute of Design, Nirma University to the student which help them to gain the necessary skills?
Yeah. So as I mentioned my vision is to integrate design with technology. So I think none of the design institute teaches them, technology, microcontrollers, open source electronics, sensors, IoT. So we introduce these sort of course because we are in the era of Industry 4.0. where designer also need to know about the sensors, actuators, wireless technologies, advanced interaction technologies like AR and VR. So everything we try to teach them over here. We have several subjects in which we are covering sensors part, open source electronics, microcontrollers, and they try to integrate with this their ideations. So then they get the best design as a part of smart product design.
Okay, great, sir. So my next question is to you. What do you see the Institute of Design, Nirma University's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Yeah. So Institute of Design, that as you are already familiar that we are running two programs, industrial design and communication design both. So the first advantage is we have lots of resources in terms of advanced modeling, digital manufacturing like 3D printing, laser cutting. Then we do have a wooden workshop, we do have a metal workshop. So, this is our strength, because if we don't have the resources, then the students will not be able to generate the prototypes. So here in lots of design colleges, they only go for sketches and renders. They don't go beyond that. But at here, IDNU, what we are encouraging them, having the lots of resources, they're able to produce very good products.
Oh, great, sir. So my next question is to you. Being the assistant professor of Institute of Design, Nirma University campus, how do you trying to bring the practical approach toward the subject and make it industry oriented?
Yeah. So, at IDNU, we don't have written examinations. We always have juries, once the subject gets over. So all the subjects and courses are practical oriented. The moment, as soon as the subject gets over, we are inviting the industrial expert, we are inviting the academic expert from the other institute. We do have the internal expert, and then we conduct a jury. So, we don't have written examinations, so that students, whatever they have made, whatever they have gone through, the process, the materials, the industry aspects, so they're supposed to present. So this is how we judge them, because written examination, they just they keep on mugging the stuff and then they write in the examination. So we don't have that practice. We call experts. The students show the products in front of them, and then experts will judge them and give the qualitative feedback based on that.
So my last question is to you, sir. What valuable advice would you like to the student for them a prospect career ahead in design department?
Yeah. So, as I mentioned you that we do have a practical approach, but most of the time what happens, not most of the times, but sometimes that happens that student may copy their products from the Pinterest, or they may adopt an idea from the YouTube or any other internet resources. So I would suggest student that be natural, be original. If your product is not good, if your product is not functional well, that is fine. But try to think at yourself and try to produce the original one, so that in future no one can copy your ideas.
Oh, that's great advice, sir. So now I would like to conclude the interview. Thank you for such all informations. It is very helpful for the all student and the parents. Thank you so much, sir, for the interview.
Thank you, ma'am.